हेलो एवरीवन। हम लास्ट क्लास में रिवीजन में फ्रंट ऑफिस के सेकंड सेमेस्टर के सिलेबस में हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे यूनिट 3 रिजर्वेशंस के हमने पढ़ा था। डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ रिजर्वेशंस हमने पढ़े थे एंड सोर्सेज ऑफ रिजर्वेशंस पढ़ा था। FIT, DFIT, FFIT, GIT, ये सब हमने पढ़ा था रिवीजन में। अब हम पढ़ेंगे मोड्स ऑफ रिजर्वेशन के बारे में। मोड्स ऑफ रिजर्वेशंस आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स। वन इज रिटन मोड एंड सेकंड वन इज वर्बल मोड। इन रिटन मोड ऑफ रिजर्वेशन वी हैव 4 further categories which we use for doing the reservations, which are letter, fax, telex and email. These are the 4 written mode of reservations which is available in the market currently and using by the hotels. And there are 2 types of verbal modes of reservations which is currently happening in hotel industry, that is in person and telephone. There is a 2-way, in person and telephone. You can do the registrations. Then we have types of reservations. We have guaranteed reservations. In guaranteed reservations, the hotel assumes that the required room shall be blocked after the confirmation. Once you get the confirmation from the guest, you can allot a room, or you can block a room for the guest as per their requirements. Under this, the hotel agrees a hotel a room until a specific time of reservation, following variation in the advance payment for guaranteed reservation. In guaranteed reservations, you have to collect the payment prior to the arrivals, and it can be in different forms. It can be in advance deposit, it can be pre-payment, it can be credit card also, it can be through credit card also, and through travel agents. And what are non-guaranteed reservations? It is a provisional reservation. In this reservation, neither there is any legal process of confirming the room nor in any payment for the advance deposit made. In this, you have general information of the guest that this and this guest wants to check in wants to stay at our hotel, but you do not have the confirmation from that customers, so that's why you are considering this as a non-guaranteed reservations. Non-guaranteed reservation is a provisional reservation in which room revenue is not secured. In this type of reservation, we are not sure that customer is going to come at the desired date or not. So we are not guaranteed on the reservations as well as the business. Then we have a new topic is confirmation, cancellation and amendments over bookings of reservations. In confirmed reservation, written statement from a carrier, hotel, rental firms, etc., that is received the reservation request and will honor it. You have to call to the guest and you have to get confirmed about the reservation, that whether they have whatever the query they have asked is whether they will going to come at the desired date on your hotel or not. That you need to confirm. Being a front office personnel, you need to confirm from the guest for their bookings, so that you can block and you can organize the room availability structure for your organized business. Then we have next topic attached is cancellation of reservations. Cancellation of reservations is done due to some reasons, that are obtain guest name or reservation number. You have to take or obtain the guest names while doing the cancellation of reservations. Search for reservations in the PMS. Whatever the query is coming for the cancellation of reservation, you just need to refer the reservation system in PMS so that you can get the actual information from there. Ask guest whether she would like to make an alternative reservations, and request the reason for cancellation. You can ask the guest for the reasons for the cancellations. Record the reason for cancellation on PMS. You have to record the reasons as well as the information of the cancellation guest in the PMS also. Provide the cancellation number to the guest. You should provide the cancellation number to the guest. Always mention retention charges if applicable according to your hotels for any confirmed reservations. If you are charging some cancellation charges to the guest, you should intimate or you should inform the guest prior charging to the guest. You should not charge and it is not should be happen that you are not intimating the guest about the charges. You should intimate first and then charge accordingly while doing the cancellation. Always send mail for retention bills and confirmation of cancellations. ये था हमने पढ़ा कैंसिलेशंस ऑफ रेजर्वेशंस के बारे में. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में हम रिवाइज करेंगे. मैं जस्ट गो थ्रू कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि हम ऑलरेडी इन सबको डीप में पढ़ चुके हैं. अब एक बारी मैं इनको कवर कर लेते हैं ताकि हम इसको अच्छे से रिवाइज कर सकें. अब हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में पढ़ेंगे अमेंडमेंट्स ऑफ रिजर्वेशंस and handling of overbooking situations. These two topics are bit clerical, so we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.